Hey, welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, we'll be converting an unversioned project to a Git repository. So let's see how to do that. So we need a project for that. So let's download a project for that particular purpose. We'll go to our browser, open a new tab, and we'll just type out initializer.com and just press enter. So we have come to initializer.com. So here we can get some pre-configured project. So that will be pretty much helpful for demonstration purpose. So let's check out the responsive one. And we need to select certain templates. What are the files we need in that project? So let's select few of them. robots.txt, plugin.js, 404 page, humans.txt. I think that should be good enough. Now let's click the download button and it asks us to save the file initializer.verica.zip. So let's press it and let's save it in a particular directory. Let it be in f:/b-bash download and we save it. So the project gets downloaded, and if you go to that directory, as you can see, the file has been downloaded as initializer.verica.zip and it has been downloaded in this particular directory. So let's come back to our terminal. So we are in the git fast directory. So we need to copy the file that we just downloaded. We'll use the cp command for copying. It was downloaded in f:/b-bash. So we'll use the tab for auto completion, b-bash, and it was in downloads folder. So we press tab again and the name of the file was initialize.verica.zip. Pressing tab again and we will copy in the current directory. So we type a dot and here you go. The file has been copied appropriately. So let's check whether the file has been copied or not. So yes, we'll list it. Yes, it has been copied. And let's unzip it now using the unzip command. We press tab again and we press enter. So it has unzipped the file in a folder called initializer. So here you can see the name of the folder where all the files have been unzipped. So let's clear the screen and now we'll remove the zip file that we downloaded since that we don't need anymore. We press tab, press enter. So RM will actually remove the file. So we saw that all the files were unzipped in a folder called initializer. So why not have a good name? So we'll rename that folder to something else. So for that purpose, we'll use the mv command. So mv initializer, press tab once again, have a space in between, and let's have a good name that will help us identify our purpose. So my repo short for repository, my repo from existing source. So the initializer folder has been renamed to my repo from existing source. So let's cd or move into that particular directory. We press tab. So there are two with the same name, similar names. So this one has an E, we press tab, so we get my repo from existing source and we change into it. If we do a pwd, you can see the entire path where we are. Let's check the contents of the directory. It is expected to contain the unzipped contents of the file. Let's clear the screen and let's issue the ls-al command once again. So this lists all the files and folder whether hidden or not, and we can't see the presence of any .git directory. which means it is an unversioned project. So let's clear the screen and we'll now issue the git init command. So here you go. Git has initialized an empty repository, as you can see, in this particular path. So now let's check the contents of this directory using ls-al, and here you go. We can see the presence of the .git directory, which has been just now created by git init command. So this means that we have converted an unversioned project to a Git repository.